everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my October Allure Beauty box. So I have not seen any spoilers for this box at all. I think I might have gotten an email a couple of months ago that said, hey, this is what's coming up in your future months, but I honestly don't remember. I did see a couple of my YouTube people that I follow, my YouTube, I don't know, the people that I follow on YouTube have already opened this box. I was actually out of town last week, so I didn't have an opportunity to open the boxes that showed up, but you'll be seeing them all this week. They're a little bit later than some other people's, but they will be coming. So I haven't watched their videos though. I was tempted, but I didn't watch them. So here we go. Here is the little booklet that says everything that is inside, and let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so here it is. And I see something that I'm very excited about because I have considered buying a full size of this. Okay, so it looks like this is the fall version. And I'm going to pull out the thing that I'm most excited about first and foremost because I have thought about buying this. So I'm definitely going to give this a try. The Sephora 20% off sale is coming up very soon, like this coming weekend. And if I like this, I might have to pick one up. But this is the Hourglass Extreme Lash Mascara. Oh, Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. It is just a little sample size, but it is enough for me to figure out if I like it or not. Right now, my preferred mascaras are Benefit mascaras, but I have heard some amazing things about this. Today I have the Benefit Bad Gal Bang on my lashes, but Roller Lash is like my all-time favorite. So I do like Benefit mascaras, but I'm definitely going to give this a try. This is in Ultra Black, and it is in their triangle-shaped packaging. Can I get it out? Come on. There it is. All right. It is in their triangle shaped packaging. I know I'm going to use this, which is why I'm opening it. Okay. So it actually has, what's interesting is it actually has the similar brush to the Bad Gal Bang brush. So I am excited to give that a try. That'll definitely be used here very soon. All right. Let's go ahead and read from the book. This says it's the Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara in Ultra Black. This mascara gives my lashes a quick lift and soft, fluttery volume that opens up my eyes, and then, just like that, they look more awake. Even the non-sleepy lidded are into it. After sweeping the brush through my lashes just once, it looked like I knew how to expertly wield a lash curler. I wondered if my lashes would look like this if I got a lash lift, said Devin Abelman, a digital beauty reporter at Allure. Having a triangle-shaped handle helps you easily grip the wand so you can really wiggle the bristles between every tiny hair. On the first coat, the black formula covered my naturally thin, light lashes so well that they appeared longer too. By the second and third, my lashes started hitting my eyebrows. All right, so there is a discount code for hourglasscosmetics.com. Enter HGAllure18 at checkout to receive 20% off your entire purchase of $100 or more. Offer valid October 1st through November 30th. So there you go. If you don't have the Sephora VIB sale, or if you're not a Sephora VIB member, you can use that code on hourglasscosmetics.com. All right, what do I pull out next? My golly, there's a lot of stuff in here. Holy cow. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pull this out here. This is from First Aid Beauty. It's the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration for Dry, Parched Skin. So it is a lotion. Let's see if it has a safety seal. It does not have a safety seal on it. So it is, I assume, just a lotion. Let's see what it feels like on the skin. It almost has like a medicated scent, if you guys know what I mean by a medicated scent. It has almost like a medicated scent to it. That's interesting. All right, so here's the package. All right, and let's go ahead and read from the book. This is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. With its majorly hydrating shea butter, squalane, and ceramides, this moisturizing cream is about as rich and coddling as they come. I have sensitive skin, and this is my winter moisturizer. It's intensely hydrating, so it lasts me through a whole day, frigid winds and all, but it doesn't clog my pores or make my skin look or feel greasy, says Chanel Drakeford, Allure.com's editorial assistant, who also slathers her hands in the stuff, especially to take care of areas that can get ashy. So firstaidbeauty.com, you can enter Allure 1018 at checkout to receive 15% off your order, valid October 1st through November 30th. There you go. I will give that a try. My hands definitely get very, very dry in the winter and very cracked. My cuticles are already having major issues, and it's only October. So, all right, I'm going to go ahead and pull this out because it's in a little plastic bag. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is Sunday Riley. And it's a rather large sample. It's a 1 ounce container. It's the ceramic slip cleanser. Here's the package. All right. There's a lot of stuff in this box. Okay, this is the Sunday Riley Ceramic Slip Cleanser. Don't let the name fool you. This face wash isn't at all cementy. Why would you get cement? Why would you get cement from ceramic slip? I don't know. The floral scented cleanser has a liquid consistency that foams just a touch and is infused with detoxifying clay that sucks oil and grime out of pores, which makes it ideal for those with normal and oily skin. It makes my skin feel soft and clean without making it tight or dry, says Sophia Panich, Allure's Deputy Digital Beauty Director. My roommate started using mine. She suffers from breakouts along her jaw, and this helped clear them up. So on SundayRiley.com, you can enter the code Allure10 at checkout to receive 10% off, valid through October 31st. Let's see if it has a safety seal. It does have a safety seal, so I'm not going to open it up to smell it right now because I'm already using a couple of other cleansers, but that is actually really cool. And to top that off, there is another Sunday Riley product in here. This is a smaller sample of the lactic acid, the Good Genes from Sunday Riley. So there it is. I'm going to see if this one is sealed. This one is not sealed, so I'm not going to put any out right now because it is such a small little sample. It's only 5 milliliters or 0.17 fluid ounces. So this is the Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. Sunday Riley sounds like an indie rock band, and it has a devoted following to match, especially around the Allure offices. The line's exfoliating lactic acid peel, Good Genes, is a favorite of Jahan Forbes, the digital hair editor at Allure, who uses it whenever she wants a quick brightness boost. Yes, it makes your face tingle, but in minutes your complexion is glowy and dewy, she says. I'll use other lactic acid treatments, but they don't give me the plumpness and radiance this one does. It is worth every penny. So maybe I'm going to have to give this a try prior to the Sephora sale. SundayRiley.com, again, Allure 10 for 10% off. We are at 4 products already, and there are still 3 more in here. There are 7 products in this box this month. Wow. Okay. Sometimes Allure really hits it out of the park. So this is from Caudalie. This is the Vino Pure Skin Perfecting Serum. I believe I've already gotten a sample of this, and I bet you this does not have a safety seal. No, it does not. I'm not going to get any out of this, though, because I'm fairly certain I already have this product. So this might be going in a giveaway. Okay, here is the package. Okay, so this is the Caudalie Vino Pure Skin Perfecting Serum. I was worried this beta hydroxy acid serum would irritate my skin. It's been so dry my chin is peeling, but then it sank in so quickly and felt so hydrating, I didn't layer moisturizer on top, says Taylor Shea, Allure's assistant business manager. The gel-like formula, which smells fresh in a minty herbal kind of way, contains the antioxidant niacinamide to soothe skin immediately and calm redness over time. Plus, it's got moisturizing sodium hyaluronate along with oil regulating salicylic acid, so it's ideal for balancing combination skin. What does all that mean? It clears up flakiness, quiets yawning pores around the nose and cheeks, and it is so light, adds Shea, you can wear it under makeup no problem. So you could use code 20, the percent sign, the word off, and the number 100. So 20% OFF100 at Caudalie Spas and Caudalie.com to receive 20% off a purchase of 100 or more from October 10th through December 1st. So there you go, 20% off Caudalie. Keep moving. All right, let's go ahead and let's take this out of here. This is from BKR Paris. It's the Water Balm Ultra Hydrating Glossy Lip Treatment. There is the package. I think I might actually take it out of the little package here. So it is just a little tub. Okay, I mean, it's basically like feels like a balm. It doesn't feel anything like super special. Okay, so BKR Paris Water Balm. This pale pink tint, the simple clear pot. This is quite possibly the chicest little lip balm I've ever seen. It's the kind that makeup artists are always using to prep lips. It's got a thin, i.e. not super waxy, consistency, so you can layer it under lipstick or your new YSL stain, which is the last product in this box. And it'll keep your lips smooth without causing your color to fade or rub off. By itself, the balm has a subdued sheen and takes care of flaky spots quickly. A few swipes and my lips went from mildly dry to pillowy soft and then stayed that way until the next morning. So you can get this at mybkr.com. Enter BKRX Allure 20 at checkout to receive 20% off your order from October 1st through December 31st. So that's interesting. I'm definitely going to have to give this a try because anytime I wear lipstick, it really doesn't have a scent. Anytime I wear lipstick, it dries my lips out tremendously. There is 2 grams or 0.07 ounces. The only problem that I see is that the bottle is so small, like I can't even really get my finger in there. So I don't know if I'm going to have to use like a brush maybe. I don't know. It's just super tiny. And even like I could probably get my pinky in, but like I grow my nails. I don't know about anyone else, but I actually kind of grow my nails. They're only short when they break. Like my thumbnail right now is broken, but the rest of my nails aren't real short. Anyway, I think this is it. Yep, this is the last product. So this is the YSL Tatouage Couture Matte Stain. So these came out, oh golly, probably a year ago, and these really do stain. So I'm not going to put it on the back of my hand. I'm not going to swipe it. It has a floral scent to it. And it looks like mine leaked a little bit. Just a hair. But I really don't want to put this on my hand because if I remember these correctly, I saw a couple people do try-ons of these and it does really stain. So I don't want to stain my hand right now. I'm about to leave my house. All right, let's see where the write-up is for this. There it is. Okay. So this is the Yves Saint Laurent Tatouage Couture Matte Liquid Lip Stain, I think is what it says. It's in one of the following shades: Rouge Tatouage, Rosewood Gang, Nude Emblem, or Singular Taupe. I have Tatouage Couture is the shade that I got. Nope, that's not one of those shades. I can't see what it says. It's so tiny. I see that it says number 5. Let's see. See if I can zoom in with my camera on my phone to see what it says. Well, it says Tatouage Couture number 5. Keep from heat or flame. It does not say the shade. So I'm not exactly sure what shade this is because it doesn't say. Anyway, this is, okay, so there's a reason YSL is YSL. Man, do they know makeup. Their matte stain is more opaque than most, so you get a wash of color with serious oomph. The colors, tawnies, berries, and reds are perfection, and the angled applicator creates the crispest Cupid's bow, which is tough to achieve with liquidy formulas. And it's long wearing, but somehow miraculously it doesn't dry out lips. You can get it at yslbeautyus.com. Enter YSL Allure at checkout to receive a complimentary Touche Éclat Blur Primer Deluxe 10 milliliter sample and free shipping on orders of $50 or more, valid October 1st through November 30th, and offer is limited to 1 per customer. So that's my entire Allure box, and this box is really good this month. 7 items, number 1. The products that are in here are great. Let's go back through them real quick. There's the BKR Paris Lip Balm, the Sunday Riley Ceramic Slip Cleanser, the Sunday Riley Good Jeans, the YSL, I don't know, I'm keeping holding this in my hand, the YSL Lip Stain, the First Aid Beauty Moisturizer, the Caudalie Skin Perfecting Serum, and probably the thing that I'm most excited about is the Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. So, 7 items in this box this month. It is really full. A lot of really nice products. Like, I'll be honest, this is kind of what I really should expect from like my Sephora play bag, which I'm going to be unboxing after this. So it'll be coming, I think It'll be coming later this week. But these are all products. I think you can get every single one of these except for maybe BKR at Sephora Play. And like, this is what I would expect from Sephora Play. I don't know. I shouldn't be comparing them, but I just did. Anyhow, I really enjoyed this box this month. I don't know about you all, but it's a really good box for me. And it's not always. Sometimes there are boxes that are bad for me that some of you guys love. So anyway, that is my Allure box for October 2018. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already and you would like to be, please hit that red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when I do upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below. I would love to read everything you say. I do respond to every comment. I'm a little bit delayed because of all the things that I have going on in my life, but I will respond as soon as I possibly can. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!